Good morning, students. Welcome to the second session. I am going to start 26th question. See the problem. In the numerator, cos x is there. Denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power 5. So cos x formula, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. That is in the form of a square minus b square. Write into a plus b into a minus b. So remaining part I am writing cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power 5 into dx. One of the term is cancelled. There are remaining 4. Now how to do that? Denominator part, take the t, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, that is equal to t. Derivative of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and internal derivative is 1 by 2 plus derivative of sin x by 2 cos x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt. Now here take 1 by 2 common, send to right hand side. So remaining is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into dx, that is equal to 2 dt. Now substitute in the question, integration 2 dt divided by t power 4. 2 into integration t power 4 sent to numerator, t power minus 4 dt. Apply the formula, 2 into t power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. Minus 4 plus 1 means that is minus 3. We get minus 2 by 3 into what is t? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power minus 3 plus c. This is the answer. Observe that which option is correct. I think fourth option is correct. Fourth option is correct. Please copy this. See that 27th question. 27th question. Yeah.
Cos y equal to t.
di by dy is equal to 3 power cos y sin y. Then what is I? So integration and differentiation both are inverse process. So di is equal to what we get? 3 power cos y into sin y into dy. Apply integration on both sides. Integration derivative of I is equal to integration 3 power cos y into sin y dy. So here integration derivative is going to cancel. I is equal to, here observe that 3 power cos y into sin y is set. Take that cos y is equal to t, derivative of cos y minus sin y dy, that is equal to dt. Finally, sin y dy, sin y dy, that is minus dt. So substitute here, minus integration 3 power t dt. What is integration 3 power t dt? That is 3 power t divided by log 3 plus c. Instead of t, write cos y, you will get final answer. So I is equal to minus 3 power cos y divided by log 3 plus c. This is the answer. Observe the options. Second option is correct. Three power.
Sir, that base quantity, write it as 3 square and take square outside the log.
Integration, correct. 3 power minus log x square to the base 9 is there, write the 3 square dx. Integration 3 power, the powers is coming in front of the logarithm, log x to the base 3 dx. 2 cancel, minus sign to power, integration 3 power log x power minus 1 to the base 3 dx. So by using logarithmic formula, we can write integration x power minus 1 dx. X power minus 1 means 1 by x only now. That is 1 by x dx. What is integration 1 by x? Logarithm of mod x plus 3. So second option is correct. Second option is correct. It's an easy problem only. Once again, see that in this question, numerator and denominator divide with cos square x. Numerator we get a secant square x plus b secant x tan x, and denominator we get b secant x plus a tan x whole square. B secant x plus a tan x is equal to take t, apply the differentiation, you will get numerator part. That means integration 1 by t square dt, integration t power minus 2 dt. So after application of applying the integration, t power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So that value should be minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t means already here we are taken b secant x plus a tan x. But see the options, there is no secant tan terms. Secant we can write 1 by cos, tan we can write sin by cos, take the LCM, cos is going to numerator. So final answer is minus cos x divided by b plus a sin x plus c. So that means first option is correct. Okay. Students, all of you completed now this. I will go for next question. Question number 29, sorry, 30. See the 30th question. How to do that? 30th question, how to do that?
E power x plus x power e equal to t.
So denominator part, we can take t and apply the differentiation. E power x plus x power e is equal to t. Derivative of e power x plus derivative of x power e into x power e minus 1 dx is equal to dt. And both the terms take e common, Here we get e power x minus 1 plus x into e power minus 1 dx, that is equal to dt. E power x minus 1 plus x into e power minus 1
It is in the form of integral f
dx.
dash x by f of x.
Yes, yes. And dt by e, this is the important. Now substitute that integration 1 by t into dt by e. Integration 1 by t, 1 by e into
log mod t.
log mod t plus c. Okay, 1 by e logarithm of t means already we know that e power x plus x power e plus c. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Who are completed 30th question? Go for 31. Tell me idea how to do that.
Sin square x plus cos square x numerator.
Sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, after that there is no use. So do one thing, numerator and denominator divide with cos square x. What happens? See, integration 1 by cos square x divided by sin x under root sin x cos x divided by cos square x dx. How to write in the numerator? 1 by cos square x means secant square x divided by, next, sin x by cos x, tan x. One of the cos x send inside of the root. If you are sent inside of the root, the term is going to square. So no, sin x cos x divided by cos square x. I am sending only one term. One term already I used. So cos x cancel. Now what will come? Tell me. Integration secant square x divided by tan x root to tan x. So already we know that a root a. What is a root a? That is a power 3 by 2. Remember it. Now this is, I am writing integration secant square x divided by tan x whole power 3 by 2 dx. Now take that tan x is equal to t. Let tan x, that is equal to t, derivative of tan x secant square x dx is equal to dt. Students, remaining part, try yourself. That is not difficult, easy only. So I am writing here, that is equal to integration. If in place of tan x we are substituted t, means 1 by t power 3 by 2 will come. That is sent to numerator, t power minus 3 by 2 dt. Apply the formula, t power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 means that is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So we get minus 2 divided by root t minus 2 divided by root tan x. But see the options. This is I am writing 1 by root tan x means that is root cot x plus c. 2 minus 2 root cot x plus c. Third option is correct. Yourself integration
Plus root x is equal to t square.
t square, or we can take t, or we can take t, no problem. T square also correct. Now 1 plus root x is equal to t. Derivative of 1 0, derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Finally, this is we can write dx by root x, that is equal to 2 dt. Now substitute in the question integration root t. Dx by root x means 2 dt. This is 2 integration t power 1 by 2 dt. Integration t power 1 by 2 means formula already you know that. I am writing directly t power 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Now 3 by 2, 2 send numerator, it's going to get 4 by 3, 1 plus root x, 1 plus root x whole power 3 by 2. Now by observing the options can be calculated. 4 by 3, 1 by 2 means we can write root, but cube is there. We can write 1 plus root x whole cube plus c. This is the answer. So second option is correct. You can take 1 plus root x is equal to t square also. Apply that. If you are getting answer within 2 minutes or more than 2 minutes, you have to observe that. Which method is taking less time, follow that method, particularly in objective. Here there is no other method. If it is there, I will explain, no problem. Okay, here this is easy method, follow this method. If you are getting any different thought, apply, no problem, not now. Now 33 question, observe that. I think this is a same problem is there in IP also. How to do this?
Denominator as t.
Take denominator as
Take
t.
denominator as
Yes,
t.
yes, very good. So denominator part take t. Denominator part take t. A square cos square x plus b square sin square x, that is equal to t. Now apply the differentiation. A square cos square x derivative is 2 cos x. Internal derivative cos x derivative is minus sin x plus b square sin square x derivative 2 sin x. Internal derivative cos x whole dx, that is equal to dt. Here observe that 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x now. So remaining part I am writing b square minus a square into sin 2x I am taking common dx is equal to dt. By observing the question, numerator is there only sin 2x dx. So that is equal to dt by b square minus a square. Now substitute in the question. What happens? See, integration 1 by t into dt by b square minus a square. Integration 1 by t dt means that is logarithm of modulus of t. B square minus a square logarithm of modulus a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Who is that? Please mute. If it is getting so finally observe the question. What is the k value? 1 by b square minus a square. This is the answer. Which option is
Sabur,
correct?
mute man.
Right. I am going to next question. See the students 34th one. 34th one. How to do that? Here let x into secant x take t. Apply the differentiation. X is constant. Derivative of secant x. Secant x tan x plus. Here secant x is constant. X derivative is 1 into dx. That is equal to dt. Take secant x common. Secant x common. We get x tan x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. See the question. Integration e power t. Remaining term is dt. Integration e power t dt formula e power t plus c. That is, what is t? X secant x plus c. This is the answer. So observe that which option is correct? First option. Now go for 35 question also. How to do that? How to do the 35th question? Let root 1 minus x square, that is equal to t. So do the differentiation. Derivative of root 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square. But internal derivative minus 2x dx is equal to dt. 2 to cancel and remaining part x by under root 1 minus x square dx. Negative sign right hand side. So minus dt. Now observe the question. Substitute. We get 1 by cos square t dt. Dt means that is minus dt, sorry. 1 by cos square means secant square. Integration secant square t minus here dt. What is the formula? Minus tan t plus c. Minus tan, what is t? Under root 1 minus x square plus c. So here second option is correct. So these two problems are very easy.